Sanmonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. You guys, Lwandle reposted this picture with this girl. She calls herself the cute, crazy colored. She posted this picture of her and Lwandle on her Instagram stories, and Lwandle reposted it on his stories. Now she did tag Lwandle and she said fam, as in family, and with the hugging emoji. So one of the frame of the picture there, Lwandle is like kind of holding her bag or giving her a bag or something like that. So I don't know if they could be friends, but I'm just like, if my man would post a picture like this with their friend, I definitely would not be comfortable with that. I don't know about you. So I don't know if maybe is this his new girlfriend or he just posted or reposted for vibes. But I'm like, if you're reposting and you have a girlfriend, like, why wouldn't you be considerate of how this could possibly make her feel? But when I went to this girl's profile, she says that she is a upcoming influencer. So I thought to myself, oh, there's a possibility that she might be trying to grow her profile or grow her social media presence by posting this, because obviously, guys, Lwandle is a public figure. Him reposting this obviously will be like, it will get people talking. So maybe they had some sorts of agreements between one another for Lwandle to repost this, because Ugel wants to grow her social media presence or she wants to grow her profile. And Lwandle is the best person to do so, because I mean, there's so much talks around them. Silegos, I really don't know. Or maybe this is just a girlfriend. Asazi, you guys. Like, I really don't know. Tell me, or you can tell me, what type of vibes is it giving? But one thing I also want to say, guys, is this day and age where we are living in a social media world, guys, everyone is literally trying to get fame. And that's why, to a certain extent, I feel sorry for people like Abon Lwandle, because besides this girl, Nem, there's a lot of people that will want to get into a relationship with you, not because they like you or not because they love you like that, but because of what they're going to benefit out of you. They're going to benefit getting fame. Even if not flugene, guys, at the end of the day, you will still be known to a certain extent. You'll still, your numbers on Instagram, your following is going to grow because people want to know about you. People are interested in your life because you're with the relationship with a public figure. So I find it kind of sad, because I'm just like, yay, these guys, nabo mpumelelo, feeling like he's untouchable. They need to be careful. If anything, guys, when you get fame, you must be stingy with your time. You must be stingy with your attention, because people are not here for the people are not always there for the right reasons. People are just there to get whatever they want to get out of you, and that's about it. So I really hope, Uti, this is not the type of vibes with Lwandle. Maybe indeed it's just a friend and they had an agreement, but I'm thinking to myself, why reposted? Maybe girlfriend Lwandle ada mind. Or maybe Lwandle did not think of it that form. But guys, ninin tandukjola ama celeb. This is part of the package. You know that you'll have girls all over you, or girls that, will just pose with you or put pictures with you just so that they can get fame and get their numbers growing. Anyway, tell me what you think about this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.